You done show me in the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I never had nobody do me.
Hey guys, so I'm about going out, but before I go, there's this thing I want to like unbox with you guys. So I got this pamper grass, so I've decided to like unbox this before I go. Wow, this is nice. Ooh, it's falling off already. Oh my god, it's falling off already. I need it for my vase, guys. The vase I bought during my errand vlog. If you follow me, if you watch the video, you'll see the errands. Oh my god, this is shedding so much. Oh my god, I just hope it does not keep shedding like this. That's that. And I got some this is called baby's breast. I got this too. I'm just going to like use it together with this grass. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I saw it, someone else did it and it came out nice, so I'm going to try mine. See guys, this is what it's looking like. So that's not all, I also got these roses too. Okay, just something to give my house a little bit of color. When I'm done, it's going to all come out nice, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But for now, I'm about going out, so I'll see you guys later. So guys, today I decided to go get a rug for my room because I've been needing this rug for a very long time now, but I haven't gotten the chance to like get it. So today is Sunday, guys. I just have to go out, just get busy I didn't go to church today, guys. Yeah, so in case you're wondering why I'm shopping on a Sunday instead of going to church, I didn't go to church today. So I decided to like shop today. So I'm going to Sahad, guys. If you're in Abuja, you'll be familiar with Sahad stores. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is a warehouse full of different types of rugs, guys. Definitely you will find what you're looking for here. They have it in different shapes and sizes, and they are quite affordable. But what I'm